Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Audi A1, then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's an Audi A1 1.4 TFSI Sport S-Tronic. It's a 3-door, 2015 on a 65 plate, has done 17,330 miles, 2 owners from new, the first one being a Audi dealer, full service history, fuel economy. Urban 45.6, extra urban 67.3, and combined is 57.6. A 0 to 60 time of 8.5 seconds, top speed of 127 miles per hour out of 123 brake horsepower, 16 valve engine. Now road tax is only £30 a year on this vehicle as well. It's a really economical car. Real nice car. I'll just turn the aircon on. And fortunately the aircon is icy cold as well. The dinging noise you can hear is it's telling me to refuel. Right, again, start moaning about. I mean, honestly, wouldn't it just be better to have a service book where you could just stamp stuff in? It's ridiculous. So easy to lose and so difficult to keep track of. For instance, we've got the service record here, and as I say, I mean, I've been in the car job for 45-50 years something, and it's too difficult. First service 29th of 9th 2017, 9,464 miles, inspection with oil change. That was done at Bradford Audi. On the 28th of the 9th 2018 at 13,057 miles, it had there, you see, it just all blurs into one. Brake fluid service. In a normal service book, a brake fluid service would be at the back of the book or in a different place, and your actual maintenance services would be in a certain part. This service, digital service record stuff is absolutely ludicrous. It's stupid, and they couldn't have thought of a worse idea if they'd given it to the government to do. Next service, that was done at Savvy Autocare Limited, 16,030 miles on the 3rd of the 10th 2019. So that's the service history. Then there's other bills here for tyres and things like that, but the sooner we go back to service books and stamping them, the better it will be for the motor trade and anybody who buys a car, because digital service history is absolutely ridiculous. But we'll try and make it easy anyway, or we'll try and make it easy for our customers to follow it. So it's an automatic. We have the little binnacle there. It has got sat-nav prep, but in order to get it working properly on the screen, it's £450 from Audi. That's for Audi to unlock it with their machine, and for an SD card with all the maps on. That's if you want it. Now, I can't speak highly enough of these cars. My girlfriend has got one. She's had it we bought it new. She's had it for 5 years, no problems whatsoever. Very, very economical car, and we picked it up from Dundee Audi, and then we toured around Scotland in it for a few days, and it really was it was a joy to drive, just as this one is really. And to be fair, although I've been in the motor trade all my life and I've had loads of brand new demonstrators, I've only really been involved in buying 2 brand new cars. One was my Porsche, and the other one was my girlfriend's Audi A1, I suppose, and looking at it as from a private individual's point of view, to trying to decide which was the best car between a Polo GT and Audi A1 S line, and a couple of other things, you know, so your normal stuff, Fiestas and so on. And the Audi A1 was the right decision. 1.4 engine, it's lovely to drive, it will go as fast as you want to, and it's economical too. The automatic, it's got paddle shift on the steering wheel there, change up and down, or you can knock the gear selector across there and change down like so, pulling it towards you, and up, pushing it away. Then you've got the Audi Select there, where you can change from efficiency to automatic to dynamic, changes the setup slightly, the throttle response and the steering slightly, I think, but honestly you'll never use it, you really won't. It's just and for some reason there's also a car switch here, and if you press the car switch, you can do exactly the same thing as you can do from the switch down here. So Audi think it's so important, they've even built in redundancy to the car, so you've two switches, unless it's in case you can't. It's chosen the lanes very early. So really, really nice setup. Steering wheel's lovely, multifunction steering wheel. If the traffic lights stay on red here, I'll just show you. Right, so there you go. There's the lever on the outside. So height and reach adjustable there. You've got your audio controls hit on this side, and you can also change your display just with this thumb wheel. Car's finished in silver metallic. Just check there, yeah, silver metallic, and it's also got the air vents, the matching colour air vents. I think we'll go past here, just show the Audi's turn of speed. And superb road holding. A Fiat van was about to overtake me on the outside, goodness me. I don't know. Don't. So we've got air conditioning as well. The seats are finished in a kind of charcoal cloth on the outside, then this material here which is like, I suppose, imitation leather, and then a sort of checkered cloth in the middle, harder wearing cloth. They're built up around the outside, really comfortable, hold you in place. And they are so nice to drive. Driving around Scotland in it, down round Loch Ness, through all the windy roads and so on, it was a real pleasure to drive. It's you wouldn't get a small car. You wouldn't get a car this size that drives any better and is as much fun to drive. Got front central armrest here. It has a bit of storage space in the centre. You've got cup holders at the front here. Going too fast there. Let's just So that's on dynamic. Let's just change that. We'll change it to auto. I don't want the stop start on. So change that to auto. We've got Bluetooth hands-free. It's got the Audi MMI system. So it's also got audio streaming in this as well. If I click on media there, it will play what's on my telephone, on my iTunes, if I just turn it up. And it's really good sound system. If you like music, you'll enjoy this Audi A1. The speakers are fantastic. Tone control, as you can see there, you can move it up. If I just take it down to bass, click on bass, then I can adjust like so. Select, balance, front and back. Plenty of acceleration, even at motorway speeds, so you're not tapped out at 70 miles an hour. Blimey. So it's looking in drive 7 here, looking like it's a 7-speed gearbox, and you can override with the paddles, so that takes it to manual for a short while until it decides that you're not messing about any longer. Oh, that Peugeot RCZ over there, finished in black and gold, that looks quite nice. Eh, dear me. I hate stop start. So over here you've got your electrically adjustable door mirrors. They're both working. Now we'll just go around this roundabout, show you the handling. So it really is a fun car to drive. I'll show you how to pair a mobile, delete a mobile, and stream audio as well. But lovely car. This aluminium finish around the gear selector matches the vents and the radio surround and your door handles. Very, very well finished off. Nice alloy wheels on it. We've got a tailgate roof spoiler, integrated roof spoiler. Just put it in manual, really. What a place to stop. Yeah. I'd say these drive better than the bigger Audis. Motorbike there. enough of the boy racer stuff. So it's only just come in. It's not been cleaned properly. I gave it a quick lick this morning. Before I came out, but by no means a full valet or anything like that. Lance will clean it. It'll be like absolute new when he's finished. Of course, it'll be defogged with antibacterial agent, and we're operating a sort of click and collect. So when you come to buy it, you'll be the only people to sit in it after it's been sprayed yet again and disinfected. So hopefully we're looking after your interests, and this really is a nice car. Especially with this, it just feels like a lot bigger car. Nice armrest for you, nice easy steering, smooth gear changes. There's enough room in the back for some shorter people. It's just a great car. My favourite, probably my favourite small car. I certainly prefer these to Polos, Minis, that sort of stuff. They feel really well built. Okay, well thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I'm just going to pull over and show you how to pair a mobile, delete a mobile, and stream audio through the system here where it's nice and dark and cool.